To the EEPROM 9, and as you can see, it works. We have audio. It lives. And if we reset it, it'll go back to its prompt. And that's just interference on the TV. This isn't actually the SCART's convertery thing I have is a bit shit. So let's put in the ATARI Artist software. I've also cleaned it up. Press start to begin or for directions. And then we can go on draw, which is D. Apparently. Okay. Lift stylus and press button for pick menu. No. Oh, well, it works. First time I've ever been able to test this. I have not figured out how to use this, but this is going to be a tutorial on using this software, the only software I have for it. But that's part 3. Oh yeah, I also cleaned up the case and whatnot, so it's not so mangy. But yeah, thanks for watching. It lives.